Hi guys, welcome to Maverick Channel. Today I am out here, going to fly a little bit, and I'm going to be flying my DJI Mavic Air 2. It's been a while, I have not sent this baby up in the air. But before I do that guys, I just wanted to show you this vehicle. It is the Jeep Gladiator 2020. What a fine piece of machine this is. It's a wonderful toy. I really enjoy driving it, and it is fun to drive. You can easily take out the doors. Maybe I'll do a video about how to tear this baby apart. You can take out the doors, you can remove the sunroof and drive it bare. But for now, let's take a look at the inside. Let's start with the back. Man, very comfortable seats. It's not as it used to be, where how they used to make these Jeeps, where it's all rugged, rough, tough, strong. But now very comfortable. You can easily take it on a long distance and you should be fine. And it has speakers up on the roof, lights, nice protection bar all around it. You can see there. Very nicely and properly built. And also child seats, hooks over there, cup holder, windows up and down, turn your windows up and down, and that's for ventilation, air. Nice hook so your door doesn't fly out. Push this back in. Yep, that's how the back looks. And let's go to the front. Ooh-wee. Look at this baby. Yep, you can hardly tell that it is a Jeep. Most people have been running away from the Jeeps because they think that it is very tough, strong, hard seats, not comfortable. But look at what they did for the 2021. It is wonderful. Of course, your cup holders, shift sticks, forward drive, media, where you have your auxiliaries and other USB ports. Of course, to send down your windows, you can also adjust it here. You've got the 12-volt direct current input, AC, and that. Of course, it comes with a small screen, radio, compass, of course your settings, and you can also hook up your phone. So, yep, but of course it has a screen, radio, media, phone, compass, settings, and more. You can also use your tuning and then your volumes right there. Let me take this. Oh yes, that is the baby right there. One of my favorite drones so far. The DJI Mavic Air 2. And of course the tires, it comes with the 245, 75 and it's a 17 rim tires. That's on this one. Of course, driver's side. Steering properly built, hand control, traffic gators. Looks real great. I really like this Jeep. And like I said earlier, you can easily take off the roof. All you do is you flip this, flip. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Flip, and then pull this down, pull that down, and off they go. So it is really nice Jeep. I almost forgot that I got the drone out there. I was gonna start and drive a little bit, but I got the drone on the hood, as you can see. So to start, of course, it is a push button, and you're here. Perfect, nice. And it drives real quiet too, guys. It drives real quiet. Let's put it in reverse and see. See, right there. Check the tire surroundings, gives you all the warnings. All right, guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and let me go fly. I'll see you on the next video, flying this bad boy right here, my DJI Mavic Air 2. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.